Yo, what's up everybody? It's Saturday and we are here at West Fair, Midwest FMX now that they have the new name change. Yeah, I just got here a little bit ago, getting all my stuff ready to go, get ready, get my gear on, got my bike unloaded. Waiting for Damon to show up and Aaron, they'll be here. Ride with Scotty, maybe go ride Scotty's after this. So, don't know how much vlogging we're doing today. I got other stuff going on for today with like the track stuff, getting videos and shit for them. So I'll do as much stuff as I can with recording and getting stuff for my vlog, but we'll see. I'm ready to have some fun and ride, and the dirt's awesome, man. It's wet. It rained not that long ago, so heck yeah, it's gonna be an awesome day. Let's go have some fun. Yo, what's up everybody? So we are back with another video, and this time we are heading to Scotty's place to go ride and hit the bag and yeah, hang out, hit the freestyle ramp. So we rode West Fair today and it's a pretty good day, but I didn't really wear my GoPro much. I'll let Rowan, Chris Horn use it, and that's pretty much about it. I didn't really wear it a whole lot. I don't know why, I just didn't really wear it. So, but I still had fun. I figured I'd just wait till it comes shred here and we're here. So, I'm on the way right now. Should be here in a little bit. Then, yeah, stay tuned. It's gonna be fun. The start of the airbag layering up. Pretty cool.
Running 35 foot.
We go bigger than that. Well, we can start here.
Yep, that works for me.
Jack it up, whatever that fits underneath that corner, and then we match it on the other side. I mean, roll this one that one.
Professional. Professional. Oh yeah. I way over jumped the airbag and he fucking ditched the bike, and I dislocated my thumb. I just actually put it back into place. So, ouch. Dumb. That's what happens when you do stupid shit. But gotta be tough to ride dirt bike, dude. God damn, Scotty's flying. Well, what do you do? I got hurt. I can't bitch too much. It's this thumb, my right thumb. So, I don't know, it looks funny. Hopefully nothing's broke, but we'll see. I don't know. It looked really dislocated, so I just popped it back into place. Worked.